Desktop user may not have to worry about how long a battery is going to last, but Windows 11 power option remains important, as well as making it possible to reduce your electricity bill by using sleep mode. To reduce power consumption after a period of inactivity, the setting you have in place can also play an important role in security. What you see when you're managing power settings will depend on whether you're using a laptop or a desktop PC. If you want to change your laptop's power plan, the most common way is from Power Settings, either from Control Panel, or through the battery icon from the taskbar. The second method is disappear in Windows 11. Changing from one power plan to another regularly is time-consuming. Here's how to create a power plan shortcut for easier access. And to solve the battery icon disappear in the taskbar, right-click on Desktop, select New then Shortcut. It will launch Create Shortcut Wizard. Enter command string powercfg.cpl. The command string is available in video description. Click on the next button. Now type your desired shortcut name in the name box. In this example we use Advanced Power Settings. Then click on the Finish button. It will create a new shortcut in the desktop. Then to identify this shortcut as a power options, we will change the shortcut icon. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Click on Change Icon button. Type powercfg.cpl in text box and press Enter. Select the icon, click on OK button. Then apply the changes. Now the shortcut is easily to identify. This is the quickest access to advanced power settings. The second section, the power mode. Power mode settings, which give you a quick and easy way to balance battery life and system performance. Windows has 4 power plans. The first, Balanced. Balanced offers full performance when you need it, and saves power when you don't. This is the best power plan for most people. The second mode is Power Saver. Power Saver plan saves power by reducing PC performance and screen brightness. If you're using a laptop, this plan can help you get the most from a single battery charge. The third mode is High Performance. High Performance plan maximizes screen brightness and might increase PC performance. This plan uses a lot more energy, so your laptop battery won't last as long between charges. The fourth mode is Ultimate Performance. This mode only available by default in the Windows 10 Pro for Workstations edition starting with Windows 10 build 17101. Provides ultimate performance on higher-end PCs. It builds on the current high-performance policy and goes a step further to eliminate micro-latencies associated with fine-grained power management techniques. As the power scheme is geared towards reducing micro-latencies, it may directly impact hardware and consume more power than the default high-performance plan. Windows 11 changed a lot of settings, and one of them is the power plan. Many users find the selected plan as balanced only. You will find the other 2 default options missing. So, how do you bring them back? Click on the search icon, and then type Command Prompt. Right-click on the Command Prompt icon. Click on the Run as Administrator. It will open Command Prompt window. Then on the prompt, type or copy the Power Saver plan command string. To paste the text, right-click on the command prompt. Then type Enter. The Power Saver plan will add to your power plan settings. Repeat the same step for the other power plan. Now, check your power plan settings. In the Windows 11 search box, type Control Panel, then click on it. It will open the Control Panel windows. Then on the top right window, change the View by Options to Large icon. Find the Power Options menu and click on it. Now the other plans is available.